What's going on, YouTube? So it's been a little minute since I made a video actually getting ready to do an install this morning for a custom slat wall, and it's gonna look like this right here. So first off, a lot has changed. Got me a partner now. We actually work together doing these installs. You guys gonna meet her in a little while. I'm excited. We're doing two walls today. One is a picture wall. They want LED lights running behind the pictures, and they want to kind of have this 3D effect popping out from the wall. So that's going to be a new challenge to figure out, and I'm excited. Take you guys with me, kind of vlog style today, real relaxed, real relaxed, but still kind of upbeat, kind of see the process as it goes. So tune in, rock with me. You already know how I do. Yeah, the process has changed a lot. Like, really been upgrading my tools, upgrading my life, my style as far as an accent wall designer. Yeah, everything's you just have to see it. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. Of course, with with slat walls, you have to nail the boards from the side. So that's already a challenge in and of itself. But we're gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna get this done. Right now I'm loading up. I've already loaded up all of the tools and everything in the truck. So I'm about to grab this wood that we stained yesterday. It's a lot. It's a whole lot. So I'll be right back after I get this loaded up. Yep, I'm back. This little hair in my beard is getting long. So right here. Yep, so on the road, headed to meet up with Shan. You guys will meet her in a little while. Like I said, that's my partner, my homie, my best friend. Like, we rocks, we rides, we get there. But yeah, I'm gonna link up with her, and then we'll continue vlogging from there. Go ahead and figure out breakfast and just get to it, you know. So I'm really excited. I do gotta stop by the store because the client wanted LED lights to run around the floating picture frames. So there's got one install, one wall will be floating picture frames, and then the other one will be the design that I showed you guys earlier. And so the client wants both, so I forgot in all of my haste and trying to get stuff together, I forgot to grab the LED lights. I was gonna order them, but it's all good. The last minute saves, there's Walmart. So let's pray that they got them, because if not, I'm gonna be going to a few Walmarts this morning. But we're gonna get it done. So, alright guys, stay tuned. Oh shoot. The legend herself. Y'all finally get to meet Miss Shan Monet. What's up, Shan? What's up, YouTube? She outside this morning, so y'all bear with her. Oh yeah, we about to get done. We're gonna grab us some breakfast real quick. Sorry. We're gonna grab us some breakfast so that we ain't passing out in these folk houses, and that's it. That's a wrap. We thought we was about to go in and get some breakfast, but they ain't trying to let us in. I guess they don't want no dine-in customers this morning. That's crazy, Andy. That's crazy. Let's go around this drive-thru real quick. Alright, so we are on site at the client's house. We're about to start. Well, we're doing our prep work right now. I'll show you guys a little bit of what goes into the prep process. Of course, we got to lay out all of our brown paper, make sure that we're not scuffing up or staining on the floor. And we're going to put plastic going all the way up the edges and the roof, so that when we paint, we don't get any paint anywhere. So that's the first wall we're doing. That's the one I showed you guys earlier. And then we'll be doing a picture wall right here where we're going to mount 3 pictures and put LED lights behind them. So We're gonna get back to it and get it done. I'll tune in every few minutes or so and show you guys how it's coming. So we just got all of our tools upstairs. It's a lot. We done made like 4 or 5 trips down the stairs already, and probably still forgot something. But that's the nature of the business. Just kind of get used to it. Normally, if the kids was here, we'd have them running up and down the stairs, bringing everything. So, sounds good. We are about to start painting. We got the wall all taped up. I don't know if you can see it in the background, and we're gonna go ahead and paint it. Oh, limousine leather. The color, if you like this color, is limousine leather by Bear Paint. You can get it from Home Depot. So, all right, guys, check it out. See how you like it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Got the paint, it's looking good now. We just waiting on the paint to dry. So now we got about to take all this plastic down and clean out our paint gun. And what else we gotta do? The prep part is the longest. Like once we start laying boards in the wall, then the boards to the wall, it'll go pretty fast up that. Just a lot of cutting angles and math. Just used to it at this point. I got how to do that. You're gonna get some camera FaceTime today. Alright, so we just did our measurements to find out where the center of the wall is. Every design starts with the center of the wall. So next, we're going to use our laser level. And I can put the link for this in the description below if any of you are interested. Just to show you how we get the design to be perfectly centered and proportional. So, alright, we're about to get this set up. So we done finally started nailing the slats in the wall. Everything's gonna be right left, off off of the original first piece that we put up. So this piece right here, we're gonna do the same thing top and bottom. So starting here, we went here, then here, here, then here, all the way until we get to the edge of where the TV is gonna be mounted. So, ooh, my hair's sticking up on my head, I look crazy. So I know you guys saw us trying to figure out what we were going to do as far as the cuts over here. We ended up adding a second board to the bottom of the first one. See, the client is going to mount a TV right here. And so we wanted to go ahead and add some extra reinforcements for it, because with slat walls and mounting the stud over it, it can be a little challenging. So we, like I said, we went ahead and was proactive about it. But he also mentioned that he wanted to mount a sound bar. So it was smarter, in my opinion, to go ahead and add a second piece down here to give room for the sound bar. And this is all drilled straight into the stud, and this is hardwood, so it won't bend, buckle, or break. And also, what was my other point? Oh, so our pieces, our slats that we're mounting up are 96 inches. So without this piece here, it would have put us, we would have been cutting each slat at about 50, what was it, 54? Yeah, like 53, 54 inches. Problem being is that wastes a lot of wood, and I don't believe in wasting wood. So of course we wanted to find a way to salvage as much as possible. So now we should, in theory, hopefully, we still haven't measured it, but we should be under about 45 inches, which is good. That means we can get 2 slats per board. So saving money is always a good thing, especially when you have a wall this size to finish. So let's see how it goes. Got it? She was not about to let it defeat her. Y'all look how this thing coming out so far. Ooh wee. That color contrast is on point.
I think you measured it wrong.
Blame the man. It's always the man's fault. Alright, so we got the design done. We got some finish work to do. You see where made a little mistake here. That was on me. And we need to fill these holes in and do some touch-up painting so that it has a nice clean finish, but for the most part it's done. Man, I don't know what I'd do without her, man. She done already caught like 5 of my mistakes today. So, yeah, it's definitely coming together. As you can see from the original, we modified it a little bit, just for the sake of saving wood and making it more functional for the client. it's all stuff you have to consider. Like nothing ever goes 100% like the picture. So yeah, just glad to be able to make it happen. You see the nail holes. We're gonna fill these in just to give it a more professional look. So we'll see those in the final design. All right, let's go take a break, grab some lunch. I know you're hungry. I'm hungry. Oh Jesus, I'm hungry. All right, so we about to, like I said earlier, we're about to go and grab us some food, but we did want to leave the client's house clean. We don't want to leave the job site looking a mess, so that is what we are doing. Like you guys looking. Oh, so we decided to add an extra bar down here, an extra I can never remember the name. Slat, an extra slat. So it gives it a nice little balance. We got 4 at the bottom instead of 3. And yeah, client is loving it so far, so good. So we're gonna do some finishing when we get back to lunch. We're gonna clean right now. Y'all welcome to clean with us. We back at it. Just got back from eating. We ate way too much. But nah, we still touching up. It's all right now. Trying to fill in these nail holes and scraping. So yeah, just the little stuff. Gotta make it look better. Alright guys, about to put you back on time lapse. Let y'all see what we up to. That's it, YouTube. We are done. That's my favorite slat wall to date.